everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is presented by Hello Kitty Public School. This video is of class 3rd Literature English. Chapter number 11, Pinocchio becomes real boy. Do you know Pinocchio is a story of a wooden puppet carved by Geppetto, a wood carver. Pinocchio is famous for having a long nose that becomes longer whenever he tells lies. Through a wooden puppet, Pinocchio always dreams of becoming a real boy. This is Do you know? Do you know corner? So people in the story are Pinocchio. He is famous for having a long nose when lied. Okay, kind fairy famous for making people wish true. And people in the story too means two more people. Okay. Second list, Geppetto, famous for wood carver. He is a very big wood carver. And snail, famous for live with fairy, because in the story the snail is living with fairy. Now this is Pinocchio. Let's start a chapter. Pinocchio was truly sorry. He remembered all the trouble and pain he gave to his father Geppetto. This is the Pinocchio. He is a very truly sorry. He remembered all the trouble and pain he had given to his father. He is Geppetto. He gave all the trouble. This Pinocchio is give all the trouble and pass to his father, this Geppetto. Okay. Now now he promised to look after his father, who had become very old. Now he is promising to he has promised to look after his father, who had become very weak and old. His father has not much old that he is looking now, because Pinocchio doesn't take care of his father. Okay. So Pinocchio had always hated hard work. Pinocchio doesn't like any of the hard work. But now he worked to take care of his father. This is the father. You can see this father. Okay. After many time he looked like this, but he is if we talk about after many times ago, he is a very weak and old. In this he is looking some of fit. Okay, because he take care of his father after many times. So we have to see it how he can take care of his father. What is the adventure of the Pinocchio in the movie, in the story? Okay, so he will take care of this he will take care now onwards. He will take care of this father Geppetto, which you are seeing in the video. Okay. This is Pinocchio. He hasn't take care of his father. Okay. After his father become well, Pinocchio decided to save some money to buy clothes. Now he is becoming some of it. Not this is so very much fit. Some of it Geppetto becomes. So he has decided to save some money to buy clothes for him. He want a new dress for him, a new suit. So he is saving some money. Okay. On his way to market, now he is arriving to the market. He is going to the market. So on his way to market, he met the snail. This snail. You can see this snail in the picture. Now after he saved the money, he is going to market to buy a new suit, because he has now collected the money. So when he is going to market, he met a snail. Okay. So Pinocchio gets very glad to see him. He is now very happy and very excited to see him. Him in this line, him is snail. Okay, and ask, and he is asking the snail, how is this kind fairy? He is asking that Pinocchio. This Pinocchio is asking to snail, how is this kind fairy? You can see in the picture. Okay. So this Pinocchio, now we are going to Pinocchio. Pinocchio was very sad. He means in this sentence we are telling that he was sad to learn that she was very ill. Now the snail has told everything to Pinocchio that the kind fairy is not well. She is not well. So he is very sad to listen the what snail has said. Okay, in this snail is also said by telling the Pinocchio. Okay. Now the picture, so now Pinocchio is saying, oh, the poor fairy, if I had a lot of money I would have given it to her. In this now Caputo is saying, oh, the poor fairy. In this, poor is not meaning garib. It's not meaning garib. In this the sentence, poor means bechari. So he is saying, if I had a lot of money, if I have many money, I would have given to her, but I only have 2 shillings. In the country, like in our India, rupee, rupee is the form of rupees. So is the form of money. Okay, in America the form of money is dollar. So in which country he is, there is called shillings. You have to tell that what is shillings. In this, now you have to tell what is shillings. In homework you have to mention video classwork, and you have to tell in which country shillings are and what is the how can I tell you, like in India 65 rupees is equal to dollars. So what is the percentage of Indian rupees and shillings? Okay, and which country the shilling is used, what is the like percentage of them? Okay, so he is saying, if I have lot of money I will give to her, only I have 2 shillings. He is saying to this snail. Okay, this snail. So he is saying, now take them, I was just going to buy a new suit, go quickly and give the money to the kind fairy. He is not saying that you take this money. Okay, I was going to the market to buy a new suit, go quickly, go fast and give this money to kind fairy. Now the snail is saying, but what about your new suit? He is saying, what about your new suit? Asked the snail. So now Pinocchio, don't ask questions, go snail. Hurry, come back in 2 days, time to take some more. Now he is saying, don't ask questions, go snail, hurry. Fastly go, come back in 2 days. You have to come back in 2 days. If you want to take some more time to take some more. Till now I have worked to my father. From now on I will work for my kind fairy. Goodbye. Now he is saying that till now, if you are talking about till now, I am working to my for my father. Now I will work for my kind fairy. So now he is saying this to this goodbye snail. This is the snail. Okay. Now answer orally. From where do you think did Pinocchio plan to get the money in 2 days time for the kind fairy? This we will learn after. Okay. When Pinocchio reached home, now Pinocchio has been reached to home by giving the money to snail, and now he is coming back to home and he is reached. Okay, the Gepetto asked him, "Where is your new suit?" Okay, so now Pinocchio is saying, "I did not like any other shop," said Pinocchio. Pinocchio said, "I didn't like any other shop," said Pinocchio. But in this book, if you are talking about glitter communication book, it is not written that, if in your literature book it is not written that about long nose. In the story has none discussed about long nose. But if I'm talking about real, there is it is written in some other books that when he told that the Pinocchios become nose long, then he has told to his father that, "No, today I am not saying any I'm not saying lie. I have pronounced some my words incorrectly." Okay, so that evening, Pinocchio, instead of working till 10, worked up to midnight. Midnight means at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Okay, he made 16 baskets instead of 8 baskets. If we are talking about other books, it is written that Pinocchio is he sells some baskets for money. Like he made in a day 8 baskets, but he is doing the double work, like 16. 8 ones are 8, 8 2 are 16. He is making 8 more baskets by selling that baskets and collect the money. This is the answer orally. Okay, then he went to sleep. Actually, he worked till 10 by making 8 baskets. Now he is working till midnight, means 12 o'clock, by making 16 baskets. It means that if he is in the 2 hours, he is making 8 baskets. Okay, then he went to bed and fell asleep. Then he go to his bed and he got sleep. Okay, as he slept, he had a dream. When he has been slept, then the dream come, and in his dream he saw kind fairy, this good fairy. In this now in his dream he saw this good fairy. You can see in the screen. Okay, she smiled and said, "In return for your kind words, I forgive all your past mistakes." It is in RTC, reference to context. Okay, in return for your kindness, I'll forgive all your past mistakes. Who said these words to whom? Why did speaker say this? What does kindness refer to here? What happens next? What happens next? You have to do this work, you have to do in rough notebook, not in your notebook. If you want to frame answers by your own, you can do in your copy, or I will upload these answers in your group. Okay, so it means that. Okay, but you have to do in rough copy. Okay, answer orally you have to do in your copy. Okay, in return of your kindness means your 2 shillings. 2 shillings, it is the kindness that he is giving some money to fairy and saying, "Hurry up, or fairy will she will get more sick, ill." So it is a kindness, and she will forgive all the past mistakes. That he is the past mistakes. It is mentioned in other books that about past mistakes. This work you have to do in your this bacha. You have to see a movie, Pinocchio. Pinocchio is a movie of Walt Disney. Walt Disney is that where the production of cartoon images Disney one, like Doraemon, Mickey Mouse. This all is from Walt Disney. Frozen 2. This all. It is available in Hotstar. You have to see this movie, and you have to see is after many years, that Pinocchio was a child, or what was the mistakes he had done, or the mistakes was that he had not take care of the father. Okay, you have to see this movie, and in the picture you can see who is this. Okay, because this picture is from your movie. Okay, so this kind fairy is saying, and she smiles. Okay, by smiling, like she is in the she is okay, children. Now she is saying, children who love their parents and help them when they are sick. She is saying the children's means kids who love their parents, and help them when they are sick. Help them while they are ill, sick, they are not well, means bimar. Okay, okay, get praise and love. They get praise and love. Praise means appreciation. Praise means appreciation. Praise. Be good in future. You have to, future means the time that will come after the present, means when you will become like you there's some child named Ria. When she will become a mother. She is a child. By becoming mother, she is thoughting that when I will become mother, I will do this and I will do this. This is known as future. It is not come yet, it will become yet. It will become. It is not true. Okay, it is not true. Or she will it is not true that Ria will do that or that, but she will become mother. Okay, okay, so she said, be good in future and will be happy. You will be happy, she has said. Okay, then the dream ended and Pinocchio woke up. Then he woke up, dream ended. Okay, answer orally 2. Question number 2 is, what do you think happens next? What happened? What you have to do? Tell what do you think? What happens next? Okay, a surprise awaited him. He was no longer a puppet but a normal boy. Like there, you all have seen the boys, or if someone listening a boy or a girl also see boy, like your father, like your brother. If you don't have brother, the cousin brother, or your friend. Okay, so it is now Pinocchio puppet wooden puppet is becoming a real boy. Okay, in this photo you can see he always wears gloves. He is like by wood. He is becoming by wood. Do you know that when I am child, I am a class teacher. When I am child, I have a kit of art about Pinocchio, and I think so there's a story written about Pinocchio, but I don't know where is it. But do you know that from past 3 years I'm searching for that. If I get new one, or I will get that one. There was watercolors, pencils, the story, or in the you can see that cover of the page like a hanging, and if you fold that like a file, it is such a brilliant, such a brilliant, such, how can I understand you, such a brilliant, that was such a brilliant, that was such a brilliant. I like that too much in my childhood. Or if you can see that envelope photos now, you can know that in the very fastly that this story has this. Okay, so he was no longer like other boys, you can see. Okay, he was no longer, so he looked around, so he is now seeing his home, but instead of straw walls of the cottage, he saw a lovely little room. His room is of straw walls of the cottage. Now he's seeing a lovely room, very beautifully decorated. He jumped out of bed. He now jumped to bed, found a pretty new suit that he wants he see that suit, a new cap. You can see this cap, a new cap. This one, he is not becoming now, but like this cap and a pair of boots. He is wearing like this kind of boots. Boots means shoes. Boots means shoes. Lying beside him. Okay, if someone has seen the revision work of class 2, this revision work of class 2, all the grammar part of English, but the video is for class 3rd, that you will understand what is that. What is prepositions, and in the besides comes in preposition. Okay. Beside him, he wore the new suit. Now he had worn the new suit and his hand in pocket. Now he in the suit, his hands in a pocket. He found a little purse. He found a little purse on which these words were written. Now he's found a purse in which their words are written. The fairy returns the Pinocchio's 2 shillings. The fairy has returned the Pinocchio's 2 shillings and thanks him for a good heart, and she is doing thanks him for his good heart, very nice heart, अच्छा दिल. Okay, with joy and wonder, he hurried to his father. There's in the exercise it is written that with joy and wonder he hurried to his father. These words, joy and wonder, tells us about Pinocchio was this only question you have to do in copy, not more much. And whenever you have time you can do, or if you don't want, it's okay. You have to do in, if you want you can do it in book. Okay, if you don't have book you can do in rough copy. Then if you have to do a rough copy, or you have the video, whenever you want you can see that, or bring or you, if you have printer, you can take pictures of this chapter and make printout and you can do there. Okay, or in the back page you can do rough work or video work and you can write that the answers. Okay, and answer orally. You have to done this question too. What do you think happens next? Okay, so father, he was old Geppetto, looking cheerful and healthy. That you can see in this picture. Back in this picture you can see the Geppetto is looking very healthy and very cheerful. Okay, so now Pinocchio is saying to his daddy that, Daddy, tell me what is the meaning of all this change. Now he's saying, I think I have to say this line in Hindi, that इसका पापा इसका मीनिंग क्या है, इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये जो all change हुआ है. Now his father is saying, asked by Pinocchio. Now his father is saying, hugging him. He is hugging his father and asking him this question. Now father is saying, it is all due to you, Pinocchio. Now his father is saying, it's all due to you. This is about you. You have to do great work for Kind Fairy and me, and this change has been done. Now he's saying, when children who are naughty become good, the whole family becomes happy. When the children are very naughty, shararti becomes good, and then they are becoming very good child, the whole family becomes happy. The all family becomes happy. What about the old Pinocchio? Where is he? Asked Pinocchio. The Pinocchio is saying, where's the wood puppet one? Pinocchio, where is he? Now his father is going to old puppet. Okay, there he is, answered Geppetto. Now Geppetto is saying, there is he. pointing to large puppet that was leaning against the chair. It is not saying against. Against means after, say after, like you know na, Indians are against of, you know na, United Britishers when they are in our country. It is not like that one against. If something is like a book is on the chair, we are saying chair, but he is, if it is like it is spreaded on the chair, we always say against. Now Pinocchio is said to himself, how bad I was when I was a puppet, how happy I am to have become a real boy. This is in the question. Not this one. What did Pinocchio say to himself? And Pinocchio said to himself, how bad I was when I was a puppet, how happy I am to have become a real boy. This story is adapted from Pinocchio. Pinocchio is not that. Pinocchio is the name of a story, book story, and it is published in 1940. There's a book published. There is a book published in there's a movie published in 1940. That was such a brilliant movie. You have to see that. Okay, so we get message from the story is children should take care of their parents. You have to write in your copy or a rough copy. Okay, in your fair copy also. So the new words I will discuss in the class, or I will upload the worksheet for that. First is awaited. If you want to write, you can write, or I will share that. Awaited. First is awaited. You can pause. AWA. 1 minute. I'm writing. Not writing. I will upload a video for that. We will discuss, or I will do worksheet. So thanks all for watching the video of Hello Kitty Public School. This is our logo. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video of Hello Kitty Public School.